Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the essentials: Vscode installed and a terminal ready. First, check the CLI by typing code version. This confirms the code command is on path. If you get a version number, navigate to your project folder using cd path / to / project. Once there, run code. To open the folder in Vscode. This launches the editor with the current directory loaded, letting you edit files, use the integrated terminal, and access extensions immediately. If typing code returns an error, open Vscode normally, press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette, then run shell command. Install code command and path. Once done, close and reopen your terminal so path updates. Now you can run code. For a folder or code file. TXT for a single file. You can also use flags like reuse window or new window to control window behavior. Make sure to test the commands in a sample directory to confirm expected results. To finish, learn useful flags. Code wait blocks the terminal until you close the editor, and code new window forces a new instance. If you face permission or path issues, run your shell as administrator and rerun the install step. Sometimes a restart is required. As a key troubleshooting tip, verify your path includes the Vscode bin folder and, if necessary, reinstall Vscode, which restores the code command. If problems persist, check for typos in path and retry the install from the command palette.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.